Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to convert an image to text in Word. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. Unlike in the video here, we have an image which I want to go and convert to text in Word. So first of all, come into Word and go to the top and go and click on Inserts and go and click on Pictures and then press on this device. To the top left and click on File. And go down and click on Export, and you want to click on Create PDF and click on Create PDF again. You can then choose where you want to download it. I'll just put it on my desktop to make things simple. Make sure that it is a PDF and go and click on Publish like so. You've now gone and created a PDF file, and what you then need to do is come back to Word. Go to the top left and click on File and go and click on Open and go and click on Browse. And you then need to go and find the PDF you just created. Here it is here, and go and click on Open. You'll go and get this pop-up saying Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. So essentially it's going to go and convert that image to text. So click OK and go and give it a moment, and it's now done. And as you can see, this text is now fully editable. As you can see, I can go and remove it or go and add more, and you get the idea. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.